Friends, myself Purushottam Kode. Today's topic in polymorphism in Java. The word polymorphisms means having many forms. In simple words, we can define polymorphism as the ability of a message to be displayed in more than one form. Real life polymorphism in real life. Illustrations polymorphisms. A person at the same time can have different characteristics. Like a man at the same time is a father and husband as employees, so the same person possesses different behavior in different situations. This is collection of polymorphism. Polymorphism is considered on the informed features of object-oriented programming. Polymorphisms allow the perform single action in different ways. Different ways. The word poly means many and morph means from, so it means many forms. Types of polymorphisms. In Java, polymorphism is mainly divided in two types: a compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphisms. First one, compile time polymorphisms. It is also known as static polymorphisms. This type of type of polymorphism is achieved by function overloading for operator overloading. Note, but Java doesn't support the operator overloading method. Second one, method overloading, where there are multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. Then these functions are said to be overloaded. Functions can be overloaded by change the number of assigned change arguments. Compile polymorphisms. Function overloading, it is a function is C++ where multiple functions is have in some but with different parameters leads. Compiler division is a function based on the number of types arguments passed of the functions. Operator overloading, it is a features of C++ and temple. It is a powerful features is a C++ that allows use write generic functions is classes or temporaries. Family functions or classes. Type 2, second one, runtime polymorphisms. It is also known as a dynamic method dispatch. It is a process of method functions, cells, or loading methods. Runtime. This type of polymorphism is achieved by methods overloading. On other hand, occurs class has defined and the member functions base class that base functions is said to by overloading. Subtype of runtime polymorphisms. Virtual functions. It allows an object of a divided class of live and writes virtual functions of the base class and provides its own implementation. The functions called resolved runtime developing actual object. Polymorphism in Java is a concept of allow object and different classes to the translate objects. Advantages of polymorphisms: increase code reusability by allowing object to a different classes or to be trusted as object and common class. Improves reliability and maintainability of code that was written and maintained. Support dynamic building, enabling the current method to be called and run based on the actual class the object. Enables object to the trade of single types, marketing easier, generic handle object of different types. These data types of polymorphism in Java can make it more difficult to understand the behavior of object usability in the code of syntax. may lead or performance issues and polymorphism behavior may require additional compilation of runtimes. Thank you friends.